Hello all, it's Jimmy. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing intersectionality, what that means and how it works. This video should be particularly helpful in understanding future videos because intersectionality kind of has its hand in everything. I'm going to start off with a basic definition. Wikipedia defines intersectionality as the study of intersections between forms or systems of oppression, domination, or discrimination. Generally with definitions of these types of things, they're a bit off, but this one's actually pretty on point because it is kind of just an easy, basic definition. Every person has many different identities, and each of those identities, is individual, but they don't exist separate from each other. So, just using myself, I am both white and queer. There is no point at which I am white and not queer, and no point at which I am queer and not white. There's no point at which I am not both of those things. They both work together along with other parts of myself to shape my experience and who I am. Some sort of examples to understand intersectionality. You may have heard of the wage gap, and basically what that means is that if you take a group of people all doing similar work and look at their pay, you'll see disparities in between race and gender and things like that. And where intersectionality comes into that is that when it was first presented, people were basically saying that, women make this much to the man's dollar. It's not that that's not true, but what they were looking at specifically was white women's pay to white men's pay. And when you look further into it and bring in race into the equation, you see that the disparities are even more complicated. So another simple example is if you look at white women and black women, they both have experiences being women that put them at a disadvantage, but when you look at when you bring in the aspect of the race, you'll see that white women do have a different experience than black women, and black women will experience things that white women will not, and vice versa. As with all of our videos, this was a fairly basic and simple understanding of privilege. Your understanding definitely doesn't need to stop here. I'd encourage you to check out some of our other videos and maybe do some research on your own as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos.
Okay, yeah, that was good. That was good.